welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Disha. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all some wedding outfit ideas, and I have created all of these outfits using the pieces that I already had in my wardrobe. Now I have created 4 different looks, and instead of just talking about the final outfit, I thought that I would take you through the entire process as to how I mixed and matched all of these pieces that were already in my wardrobe. So in case you have to attend a wedding or a wedding function at the last minute but you don't quite understand as to how you can mix and match the things that you already have in your wardrobe, then I hope that this video might come in handy for you. And now let's just get started. Let's start with the first look. Now while creating this outfit, I started with the dupatta. The first thing that came to my mind was that I wanted to wear it with something plain since the dupatta is already printed. And if you closely see, there is a hint of red and green on the dupatta, but I didn't have anything in green, so I started thinking of all the plain red pieces that I had, and I decided to go with these palazzos. I also had a red kurta, but I wanted to try it with this blouse and I really liked how it looked, so I ended up wearing the blouse itself. I got this blouse stitched over a year ago for my sister's wedding, and its design is inspired by this blouse that was worn by Alia Bhatt. And now for accessories, since the blouse has a high neck, it did not make sense for me to wear anything in the neck, so I simply wore these gold earrings that complement the buttons on the blouse and also the gold in the dupatta. So this outfit is just like wearing an all-white look with a colorful dupatta or an all-black look with a dupatta. Now if you have 2 separate pieces of the same color, just add a contrasting dupatta like this and you're all good to go. You can wear something like this when you don't want to overdress or underdress, and this will help you create the perfect balance in your outfit. Now moving on to the second outfit. For this look, I started with the yellow lehenga and I also found a yellow dupatta. So now for the top, I could either go with a traditional blouse of a contrasting color like green or pink or even something gold. But while planning this outfit, I was wearing a grey top and I'm inserting a picture of it here. I was really liking how grey and yellow were looking together, so I thought of pairing it with something grey. Now what I'm wearing here is actually a turtleneck dress, and I have styled it before in one of my videos. And to add some more color and contrast to the look, I paired it with this turquoise potley and a similar colored ring to balance both of them out. And I also added this long necklace since the top looked plain, and a little bindi to finish it all off. For the third outfit, I have 2 variations for you. So here I am wearing a simple anarkali which is mostly plain, and I added a bandhani dupatta which has these bright colors. And also if you see at the border of the dupatta, there are these pearls, which is why I went for jewelry that have a hint of pearl in them. And the choker that I am wearing here is actually a bracelet. I simply added a black thread at the back to make it look like an actual choker. The second variation is to wear the dupatta like this from both sides, and it is completely up to you as to what you like better or what you're comfortable in. And coming to the last look, which is very simple and not a lot is going on. I wore this bright pink and gold lehenga, and of course since the bottom is so colorful and bright, I wore a plain golden blouse and added a hint of pink for the earrings. For today, I really hope you found this video helpful, and also let me know if you like this new format where I take you through the entire process of me creating an outfit. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me and more such videos. Follow me on my Instagram. I do post a lot of short videos over there, and in case you're interested, please go check it out. And I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye!